Here is an interesting solution used as a B&B in the heart of Modica, and it is available immediately. The sale includes two adjacent properties, both consisting of a single furrowed room, where we find a typical brick kitchen, double bed area, bathroom and shower set in the rock. The first of about 50 square meters and the second of about 30 square meters. They are sold as shown, complete with all the useful furniture to be used immediately as a holiday home or B&B. It is also possible to purchase just one property. There is a hot-cold air conditioner and electric water heater. Easy access from the main road, where we also find numerous parking lots. And it is only 10 minutes from Corso Umberto.